second bottom, Chris. No middles.
Dan, Chris, timers, timers, and timers. Gentlemen, this is your start.
The other two.
3, 2, 1, go.
Get down there.
Oh, you did.
Get out of it.
It's actually quite a bit easier though.
Anytime. Don't 3-hit it 10 by 10.
Keep the axe moving, fellas.
Come on, Chris. Get down there.
Come on.
That was a good one.
Keep it up. Keep it up.
Down. Get it out. Come on, Chris. Come on, Chris.
Come on.
Come on. Come on.
You're almost there. Come on, there.